All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about where to get Tesla tires rotated. Step 1. Tesla Service Centers. Your best bet is a Tesla Service Center. Tesla recommends rotating your tires every 6,250 miles to maintain even tread wear and optimize performance. Use the Tesla app to schedule a service appointment at the nearest location. Step 2. Certified tire shops. If there's no Tesla service center nearby, check for Tesla approved tire shops. These shops have the right tools and expertise to handle your Tesla's unique requirements, like the jack points for the battery. Step 3. Mobile service. For added convenience, Tesla's mobile service can come to you. Book through the app, and a Tesla technician will rotate your tires at your home or office. Step 4. General tire shops. If none of the above options work, you can go to a regular tire shop, but make sure they're familiar with Teslas. Insist on using the correct torque specs and equipment to avoid damaging your vehicle. By rotating your tires regularly, you'll extend their lifespan and enjoy a smoother ride. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.